We struggle in between like giving customers like attention and having good customer service, but also like pushing out quality drinks. Where are the lids? Found them. Order number 38. I walked into my shift and my boss was like, hey, we're gonna have to make all the drinks on the menu and we're getting a kiosk.
Zyrl Chronicles, the whole focus of this is really to give you a reality style show of what happens in the day-to-day world of a startup. When you think about the Apples and the Nikes and the Microsofts and seeing how they were when they first started and growing with them when they were 10 employees to 500 employees to 1,000 employees. I do want to mention that I do want us to be, and Jordan kind of alluded to this on Friday, and I really want to rehash it because I think that he was right on the money there.
It's a wake-up call, just something to kind of build some urgency, but at the end of every storm is a rainbow. And good things are going to happen, we're going to be successful.
That's a great way to end it. That's a great way to end it. Urgency is definitely key. Every day matters for a startup. We're going to actually start preparing. This month will be a full preparation for us being able to deploy some other places. So you guys will start getting lists for other locations outside of the Bay Area. That will probably happen maybe the second half of September to the beginning of October, but it absolutely will happen. So we feel a bit comfortable about kind of moving in that direction. So that give you obviously more. We'll probably move down south. Yeah, so we'll start deploying down that direction.
Now that we're moving to different territories, what is the strategy that Raj and you came up with in order for us to like move forward with these?
So a lot of it is there is an outsourced company that does like IT type of projects, and so that is basically what we're going to outsource, which is having somebody else do the installs. And they just basically have, think about like thumbnail or thumbtack. Is it thumbtack or thumbnail? I can't remember. Thumbtack, I think. Where you can just like, go in and look for a plumber, and then they have this list of a whole bunch of like qualified plumbers who can go out and do the job. So there's agencies that have IT type professionals who can go out and do these type of install jobs. And we're going to basically push that out. We're not going to develop a team in LA.
Order number 90, number 90.
When the order shows on the KDS.
KDS install. Oh yeah, you excited for the kiosk?
We are at Factory T-Bar in Fremont. It's gonna look 1,000 times cooler once the pictures are uploaded. Successful?
Zyrl successful.
Where are the lids? Found them. I think that it definitely streamlines the process of making / ordering drinks because especially working here at such like a busy boba shop, we struggle to moderate like in between like giving customers like attention and having good customer service, but also like pushing out quality drinks, especially because we get so busy at certain points in the day. And so this just makes it a lot simpler in terms of like making customers happy, but also making us happy because we're able to focus on making drinks instead of just stressing out about, serving the next customer or making sure that everyone is like being attended to. One of our biggest issues is we have something called Doorbuster where all drinks are $2.50 an hour before we close. And during that time, since we're one of the few boba shops that has such cheap drinks, we really struggle with taking care of like customers while also trying to pre-close, because since it's an hour before we close, we're focused on washing dishes, we're focused on, doing all this, and so it just makes it a lot easier to not have to worry about talking to customers and just focus on making our drinks and pushing them out, washing our dishes and our mats and such.
What we are doing today is we are setting up Factory Tea Bar with their menu, photo shoot, and get them going, ready to take transactions on the kiosk.
Even though fries is a side option, right, that they'd have to go to sides in order to order that, right? So in order for us to like try to make more money and for the upsell, be like add to your meal, or yeah, add to your meal. Make it like sorry, fries, like all like some of the sides, like fries, $1. So it's that upsell that we like promise, right? But yeah.
Sure, it's good now. So what we did is here, and then so you can choose, and then you can choose your up to 2 for 2 classic. Change the name.
Yeah,
so now it's good.
Oh, it's Bao, B-A-O.
B-O.
B-A-O.
Okay, I'll change that. B-A-O. Did I mix it up for everything? B-A-O. Oh, just this one I messed up. Oh no, and this one. And then and this one. Okay, I'll fix it. Okay, and then so like this one, the spicy is now there. Basically everything I did I fixed. Now I just have to fix the spelling. But yeah.
Thank you so much.
Should be good. Yeah. And then the picture, when the pictures be up, it'll be a lot prettier. So yeah. So it'll eventually look like this with pictures. Yeah, it'll be super pretty. Yeah. Yeah. So all the pictures he took, like it'll be under there. So, and if it doesn't have a picture, it'll just show this out of stock. But yeah, super pretty, right? Yeah. Yeah. Right? Yeah.
It'll be darker though because it's black background.
Yeah, but it'll still look beautiful.
It will look like your store.
Yeah. And again, like text me whenever if you guys have issues. And I gave Michael my number too. So yeah. Yeah, of course. And I'll change the name. It'll be quick. Of course. Besides that, we should be good to go. The whole client success team was here. So Raj, Eugene, Elliot, myself. So we did the menu. We made sure everything was okay. We really think this place is like really promising and they're super excited about it. So we wanted to make sure everything was good. And then we taught Raj how to do the whole back process. So the menus, which is of course most fun part. And yeah, that's the recap for Factory Tea Bar, installation and photo shoot. Yeah. Yeah.